Well, folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the FMS Sky 182. And I just realized I didn't put any expo in this. So let's get some expo in there. So, but with this plane, very simple to fly a plane. We're gonna put some expo in there anyways. I always put 30% on all my control surfaces. That's just me. Make sure I got my timer set for 5 minutes. All right. Now, real quick, I keep motor off. I want to show you. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but hopefully I can hold us up high enough. See that receiver there? When I say I've got an aftermarket receiver, that is the Storm S603. Just a generic Spectrum protocol or DSMX protocol receiver. And that's what I'm running when I say I got a generic receiver in there. It's got full range and dual diversity, and just a good little receiver, as I've got it in a couple of my planes, and I've never had a problem with range or signal or anything of the sort. So let's all right, let's go ahead and take off for the FMS Sky 182.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps. Flaps up.
There you go. I'm running a Hobby Star 2700 3-cylinder. She calls for a 2200 and maybe an 1800 up to maybe a 3000, but you've got all kinds of room. But I'd say probably your 2200 is probably the most prevalent that you put in this plane. 3-cell. She's a 3-cell bird. I mean, yeah, you could upgrade her to a 4-cell if you wanted to. But that's just going to give you more, forward speed if that's all you're looking for. I wouldn't do too many. I know I keep saying that with this model. She's a scale bird, so personally, I think you need to fly her scale. But good-looking bird.
Takeoff flaps.
That's for certain. Good-looking bird. I know I say all my birds are good-looking birds. Well, they are. You're a nice slow pass. Just takeoff flaps right now are on. But that receiver I'm talking about has zero stabilization, no kind of AS3X, no gyro, nothing, just signal. Just your control is all. That was lousy. I can do better than that. I can do better than that. Yeah, there we go. Much better. All right, let's do takeoff flaps this time. Definitely a good looking bird, or a very attractive plane. How about that?
Landing flaps.
Very attractive plane. There we go.
Flaps up.
I'm going to do a no flap landing this time. And I know this isn't very exciting, is it? Just flying around, landing, taking off. But it's the one discipline you need to be the best at, and that is
Landing flaps.
taking off and landing. The rest of the stuff doesn't take as much discipline. Whoa, hey, tough landing gear. That was a very bad landing. Let's see if we can't. Didn't have enough power. Should have kept a little more power in the approach.
Flaps. Takeoff flaps.
Yeah, see? A little bit better, a whole lot better that time.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
All right. Yeah, we got enough for one more.
Flaps up. Takeoff
I
flaps.
gotta tell you, with this little bit of wind, just a little bit of wind, and from this approach, I think landing with takeoff flaps is about perfect. About an 8 throttle, takeoff flaps. Yeah. All right, folks. Well, there you go. That is the FMS Sky Trainer 182. You can get her Horizon Hobby for about $159 for the plug and play. So just put your receiver and your battery in, and there you go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Here's what you want to hear.
Motor off.
Motor off before you touch her. All right, folks. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.